Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are analysing the characters in Kensuke's kingdom. Before you begin, make sure you've done your reading, one column of your spelling words, and one page of your handwriting jotter. Make sure you've also done your quiz on Accelerated Reader for Kensuke's kingdom. Today we're going to be completing a blob tree. And what I would like you to do is pick 10 blobs from the tree, and the blobs represent the characters in Kensuke's kingdom. You will write a few sentences which explain why you've chosen each blob, and you will refer to the text in your answers. Remember to include page numbers and chapters. So, with the draw tool, you choose a blob. And I'm going to choose this blob here. Maybe actually this one here. So this is going to be my blob number 1. Then I will scroll down and I'm going to write which character this is, at what point in the story, and how that blob matches the character's feelings at that point. So for me, the first blob up here represents, for me, Michael during chapter 6, and when he is at the top of Watch Hill trying to build a beacon to attract the attention of passing ships. At this point, him and Kensuke are not friends, and he looks at Kensuke as his captor. So I've written Michael in chapter 6. On page 87, Michael feels isolated on Watch Hill. He is trying to get away from, and then I'm going to use some quote marks because I'm going to take a quote directly from the text. He's trying to get away from the prying eyes of the old man who I thought of now as my captor. And that is a quote taken from page 87. I have chosen this blob, this one up here, as it is separated from the others, like Michael is separated from his family and Kensuke. I think I've chosen the blob with more of an angry expression. I think this one that is isolated is more sad or perhaps worried. I've chosen the angry one because at this point I think he's quite angry with Kensuke, who is telling him how to behave and telling him that he can't light a fire. So I've chosen the blob with an angry expression as it mirrors Michael's feelings towards Kensuke. Michael does not like being told what to do, especially when it is linked to him finding his family. So for each blob, I would expect a good amount of writing. I would expect to know what chapter the blob is from. I would expect a quote from the text and the page number where you can find that quote, and a really in-depth explanation of how the blob you've chosen links to that character and at what point in the story it shows how that character is feeling. Now, you might choose 10 blobs that reflect Michael at different points in the story. You might choose 5 that represent Kensuke, 5 that represent Michael. You might have a few that represent Stella, or maybe Mum and Dad, maybe the grandma. So it is completely up to you, but what's really important is that you fully explain your answers. I look forward to seeing the work you've produced. Have a lovely day.